The 2026 Formula One season is set to usher in a new era of technological innovation and competitive dynamics. A pivotal development is the introduction of Cadillac as the 11th official team on the grid. Backed by General Motors, Cadillac's entry has been greenlit by both the FIA and Formula One after comprehensive evaluations. This addition will expand the grid to 22 cars, marking a significant milestone in the sport's history. Cadillac's strategic approach involves a partnership with Ferrari, utilizing their power units and gearboxes for the initial seasons. This collaboration underscores Cadillac's commitment to establishing a competitive presence in Formula One. The team has been proactive in its preparations, assembling a workforce of over 300 professionals focused on areas such as aerodynamics, chassis development, software, and vehicle dynamics simulation. Leadership will be a critical factor in Cadillac's success. Graham Lowden, formerly associated with Marussia, has been appointed as the team principal. His extensive experience in motorsport management is expected to steer the team effectively through the challenges of entering the highly competitive F1 landscape. The 2026 season will also witness substantial regulatory changes aimed at enhancing the sport's sustainability and competitiveness. The new power unit regulations will retain the 1.6-liter V6 turbocharged internal combustion engines but will eliminate the MGU-H component. Instead, there will be an increased emphasis on the MGU-K, with its output rising to 350 kilowatts from the previous 120 kilowatts. Additionally, the internal combustion engine's power output will decrease to 400 kilowatts, aligning with Formula One's shift towards fully sustainable fuels. These changes are designed to promote energy efficiency and environmental responsibility within the sport. Aerodynamic regulations are also set for a major overhaul. The 2026 car concept introduces active aerodynamics, featuring adjustable front and rear wings. This innovation aims to improve overtaking opportunities and overall race excitement. Notably, the drag reduction system DRS will be replaced by a manual override engine mode, reflecting a shift towards more dynamic racing strategies. The car's dimensions will be adjusted, with a reduced wheelbase and width, and a decrease in minimum weight by 30 kilograms. These modifications are expected to enhance car agility and performance. Safety remains a paramount concern in Formula One. The upcoming regulations will implement a two-stage front impact structure FIS to better absorb collision forces, addressing previous detachment issues near the survival cell. Enhancements inside intrusion protection around the cockpit and fuel cell are planned to safeguard critical areas during side impacts. The roll hoop's strength will be bolstered to withstand increased loads, aligning with safety standards of other single-seater series. Moreover, the introduction of lateral safety lights will provide visual indicators of a car's energy recovery system status, aiding in the rapid assessment of electrical risks by drivers and track marshals. The 2026 season will also see notable shifts among engine manufacturers. Audi is set to join as an engine provider, marking its entry into Formula One. Ford will return after a two-decade absence, partnering with Red Bull powertrains. Honda, through its subsidiary Honda Racing Corporation, will re-enter the sport as an engine manufacturer, supplying teams like Aston Martin. Conversely, Renault has announced the cessation of its engine program following the 2025 season, leading teams like Alpine to seek new power unit suppliers. These developments reflect a dynamic landscape in Formula One's engineering partnerships. Team dynamics are poised for transformation with the entry of new manufacturers and the reshuffling of engine suppliers. Audi's acquisition of Sauber positions it as a factory team, while Ford's collaboration with Red Bull signifies a strategic move to leverage hybrid power unit technologies. Honda's renewed commitment to Formula One, particularly its partnership with Aston Martin, underscores the brand's dedication to high-performance motorsport. Meanwhile, Alpine's transition to Mercedes power units following Renault's exit indicates a significant shift in team engine relationships. In summary, the 2026 Formula One season is on track to deliver groundbreaking changes, from Cadillac's debut as the 11th team to comprehensive technical and safety regulation updates. These developments promise to enhance the competitive spirit, technological advancement, and global appeal of the sport, setting the stage for an exhilarating new chapter in Formula One history.